Beef and broccoli stir fry is one of the most popular takeout items, and do you know it's so easy to make at home? The secret is tender beef. For my version of this recipe, I'm using this 2-pound sirloin tip, which I'm going to cut into thin strips. Take out the excess moisture. So all I need to do with this, I'm going to cut it in 2 halves, the thin strips, and then I can just stack it and then just cut. The grains run across this way, so I'm just going to cut it across. Makes it easier to cook and gives some very tender dish. Take out any cartridges and any silver skin. Beef all done. Sprinkle the beef with a tablespoon of cornstarch, some baking soda. The baking soda will help improve on browning. The cornstarch thickens the sauce. Rub all this, mix everything all together. Still on the cutting board, just drizzle some soy sauce. I'm using Tamari. Just a touch rice wine vinegar. Then just coat all this. I'm just doing this to avoid extra cleanup. Just use the cutting board to do everything. Just leave this to marinate for a second while I go and work with the broccoli. Clean the knives, wash your hands thoroughly. On a clean cutting board with a clean knife, just break the broccoli into florets, bite size. Set it aside. This is a very straightforward recipe. It takes just 2 ingredients, just the beef, broccoli, and just a few pieces of scallions. There you have it, broccoli all done. This will go into a bowl. Some of these leaves, some scallions. Cut off the roots. And then cut this into fairly large size. Save that. And then we'll chop the top greens for garnish. We'll also need ginger and garlic for the dish. So a few cloves here. Smash them. Peel and chop. Once you do all the prep work for stir-fry dishes, putting together the dish is fairly easy. Chop the garlic. Set aside. Peel and julienne some ginger. You can use a peeler for this. You can use a knife. You can use a spoon. Whatever works for you. Slice. And put into a stack. And just julienne thinly. Ginger, garlic, all done. Put it aside. Now for our stir-fry sauce, some soy sauce, tamari. All ingredients will be in the description box. Some hoisin sauce, a very popular Chinese ingredient that is used for Chinese barbecue and also in stir-fries. Rice wine vinegar. A touch honey just to balance the flavors. This is optional. Just a touch more cornstarch. A good amount black pepper. Stir everything here. And there you have it, our sauce, ready to go and start the cooking. Into this very hot wok, vegetable oil. Straight away add ginger and garlic. Red pepper flakes. This is optional, but you want a slight kick in your dish. So just sweat this. Straight away add the beef. Pull the beef to the edges of this wok. If you like stir fries, it's a very good idea to invest in a wok. Once the beef starts to brown, it's time to turn it. Give it a chance to brown on all sides. Sirloin tip is a fairly tender cut, so it's a good idea to cut it in a slightly bigger chunks than you would do if the beef was stuffed. Now once the beef acquires some color, time to introduce our broccoli and the scallions. I usually like to pre-blanch my vegetables, but on this recipe, I'm not doing so. So it's good idea to add them early so that they have a good time just to cook through. Toast everything. Starting to look yummy already. You want to toast this so that everything gets mixed. Now, just a touch salt, being mindful that soy sauce has a lot of salt. A very good time to introduce our sauce. Toast and continue to stir. To coat everything, hence the name stir fry. Oh, look at that beauty. And this dish is ready to serve. Garnish with lots of scallions greens. If you have cilantro, this will work perfectly. Heat off to the table. Serve this delicious, quick and easy to make broccoli stir fry over a bed of rice, and you got yourself a delicious dish that you can do on any day of the week. Give it a big bite here. So friends, there you have it, our quick and easy to cook beef and broccoli stir fry. A dish that you can do on any day of the week. Cutting the beef into thin slices quickens the cooking and also makes it nice and tender. You can use any vegetables of your choice, but this is a classic. I hope it's a dish that you can try in your own kitchen. We'll see you in the next one. Just remember, please comment, subscribe, give me a like if you enjoyed this video.